Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a basic calculator using ChatGPT. First of all, we need to create a index.html file and create script.js file. Also create a style.css file here and open your ChatGPT here and type here create calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript separately. And wait until you get the code. Here you can see the ChatGPT has been successfully generated a HTML code for my basic calculator. So I'm gonna clicking on copy code and I'm gonna opening my index.html file here and I'm gonna pasting the code here. And then scroll down and here also you'll get CSS code. So click on copy code and open your style.css and paste the code here. Make sure to save. Scroll down and here you'll get the JavaScript code for your calculator. So click on copy code, open your script.js file and paste your JavaScript code here and save it. And now I'm gonna opening my index.html file here and as you can see the basic calculator website has been created. And now let's make some calculation here. As you can see it's working properly. So that's how we can make a basic calculator website using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.